So this is where the water goes around the end of the berm. Here's the street sign, so you kind of get an idea of where we're at here. And that's why if I can keep this here and take this out, but still look at it has quit raining for like 15-20 minutes and the flow is still coming.
It's eventually going to break through here. You can see where the water meets the rain is.
This is
Yeah, it's
this
gonna,
is the water. When I drove by, the water was running over here.
yeah,
This,
because
and then look at that down there.
that's because it's taken out the mound, the rain and
Yeah, they found a weak spot.
no, the whole thing, the roots are dead now. So the whole thing's a weak spot.
Well, and that was from the chemicals they used to get rid of the snow. But now, so see what we talk about, what I talk about when I say you want us to use our property as a dumping ground for all the water from the road. It's not right. It's not fair. Now the rain's coming back. And here's a total breakthrough. Oh my gosh.
See
And
that?
this is part of where the berm wasn't here, but this is where we filled the gullies over here, and then
You see, if you take all this out, that's what you're going to have. But it's going to be all up and down your property. You're going to have all this soil coming out.
here's another one. Look how deep that
Are you
is.
going to call them and have them come out and fill it up?
I'm gonna send. I'm gonna try to send this film to them. And here's where it all ends.